Hello everyone, I wanted to talk about my Rhino Ramps, which I've been using for many years now. I really like them. You can see here that they're dirty and dusty, but they hold up really well. They're constructed of nice strong resin. Basically, I do my oil changes on my Honda Odyssey and my Civic, and all you need to do is make sure your tires are lined nice and straight, and then you align the ramps underneath them. This is the way I do them. And just carefully drive up the ramps until you hit that lip. Sometimes the ramps do slide, which is normal. And you can see here that they have nice wide tracks for the tires, and you have good clearance underneath for oil changes or general maintenance. And you don't have to worry about any safety issues with these strong ramps. Here I'm changing the oil on my Honda Odyssey and putting my new oil filter on, and these ramps make it nice and easy. Here's my Honda Civic with a lower profile. Again, I just line up the tires, make sure they're nice and straight, then put the ramps underneath and make sure everything is lined properly before I go up nice and slow and safe, and everything works out okay. Again, very good clearance underneath. And to get off the ramps, all you need to do is reverse very slowly and carefully, and you shouldn't have any issues. These have been great ramps for me. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.